Welcome. If you've been getting those people, you may know notifications on Snapchat and you're ready to turn them off. You're in the right place. These alerts usually come from your phone contacts being synced, and while they can be helpful, they can also feel a bit intrusive or just plain annoying. The good news is that Snapchat gives you full control over this, and it only takes a few seconds to disable. Let's walk through it together. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your personal settings and account details are stored. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings menu. Now that you're inside settings, scroll down a little until you find this notifications section. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where Snapchat controls all the alerts and pop-ups you receive. Inside notifications, you'll see a list of different options. What you're looking for is something labeled Friends from Contacts. This is the feature responsible for those you may know suggestions based on your phone contacts. Simply uncheck or toggle off Friends from Contacts, and that's it. Once you turn this off, Snapchat will stop sending you notifications about contacts who have joined.